At Guaranteed Roof, we take pride in being a one-stop shop. We offer everything from full roof replacement to roof cleaning to roof rejuvenation. Here at Guaranteed Roof, we offer eco-friendly and accessible services. For example, our bleach and phosphate-free roof cleaning service. This gentle roof shampoo solution ensures that your shingles do not dry out, preventing accelerated aging. It's a safe and efficient way to add longevity and an instant curb appeal to your property without killing your landscaping. Additionally, we use top quality materials to perform our roof replacements that ensure longevity and durability. If you experience any issues after your installation, we're backed by an industry-leading workmanship warranty and guarantee. Finally, our roof rejuvenation service. This innovative service is a plant-based technology that restores waterproofing protection and flexibility back to your shingles. Our roof rejuvenation services are also guaranteed, adding up to 15 years of life to your roof at 20 to 30% of the cost of a replacement. When you need your roof cleaned, we guarantee satisfactory service. Call Guaranteed Roof or visit guaranteedroof.com today.